You remember in the previous session I told you that हम average profit के बड़े भाई से मिलेंगे, weighted average profit से मिलेंगे, and here we are. Hello everyone and welcome back to the commerce element. Today we will go with the weighted average profit method of calculating goodwill. Now this weighted average profit is the big brother of average profit. Why so? Because वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट बड़ा भाई है, उसको लोगों का इंपॉर्टेंस पता है, उसको पता है किसको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है, किसको थोड़ा कम इंपॉर्टेंस देना है. स्मार्ट, राइट? लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स इन अकाउंटिंग. नाउ एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड में क्या होता था, हम ऑल ईयर्स को इक्वल ट्रीट करते थे, सारे ईयर्स के टोटल प्रॉफिट को इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस देते थे, डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स सिंपली करते थे. यहाँ पे बिकॉज वेटेड एवरेज उसका बड़ा भाई है, इट विल गिव मोर इम्पोर्टेंस टू रीसेंट ईयर कंपेयर्ड टू द प्रीवियस ईयर्स एंड thus it is बड़ा भाई. Let's see what kind of sums are there. The first one says calculate goodwill based on 3 years purchase of weighted average profit of last 4 years which are 21 it is 50, 22's year it is 60, 23 40 and 24 it is 65. It is said that assign 1, 2, 3 and 4 weights starting from 2021. 2021 को 1 weight assign करना है, that is थोड़ा कम importance देना है. 22 के ईयर का जो थोड़ा फ्यूचर से नियरिंग है उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है, 2 वेट असाइन करना है. 23 जो थोड़ा और फ्यूचर के नियर है उसको थोड़ा और इंपॉर्टेंस दे के 3 वेट असाइन करना है. एंड 24 जो फ्यूचर के एकदम नियर है उसको सबसे ज़्यादा 4 वेट देना है. एंड यू आर सपोज टू कैलकुलेट गुडविल यूजिंग वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट मेथड. लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. We will have profits of all the years 50,000, 60, 40 and 65. We will multiply these profits with weights. As it is said that 21 से start करके एंड तक आपको 1, 2, 3, 4 वेट्स देना है. सो 21 के ईयर को 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई प्रॉफिट एंड वेट्स यू विल बी गेटिंग वेटेड प्रॉफिट. 50 into 1 it will be 50, 60 into 2 120, 40 into 3 again 120 and 65 into 4. Now see, if directly you don't know 65 into 4, you can use some smart trick. Bifurcate 65 into 2 things, 60 and 5. We know 60 into 4 it's 240, 5 into 4 it is 20. So 240 एक and 20 दूसरा, it will be 2,60,000. Like this, use some smart tricks every time. छोटे बच्चों की तरह मल्टीप्लाई करने नहीं बैठने का. So you will have a total of 120, 120, 240, 260, 5 lakh and 5,50,000. This is your total weighted profit, rupees 5,50,000. Now we will find weighted average profit is equals to total weighted profit upon total weights. I told you write the formula because formula also carries mark. So here total weights will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it will be 10. So your total weighted profit is 5,50,000 upon total weights 10 and thus your weighted average profit will be rupees 55,000. Underline when you arrive at some answer. Now, the story doesn't end over here. We are supposed to calculate goodwill. And how we are supposed to calculate goodwill? Based on 3 years purchase of weighted average profit. This is our weighted average profit. So, goodwill will be weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. Weighted average profit, just now we calculated 55 and number of years of purchase is 3. 50 into 3, 5 into 3. So 50 into 3 it is 150. 5 into 3 it is 15. 150 plus 15 it will be rupees 165. And this is your final answer. Highlight it. And we are done. Let's see the second question. The profits of last 3 years were as follow. 2022 it was 150. 2023 it was 150 again. And 2024 it is 250. Calculate goodwill based on 2 years purchase of weighted average profits of past 3 years. So you are supposed to calculate again goodwill based on 2 years purchase of weighted average profit. What is new this time? Weights are not given. Like here they say that assign 1, 2, 3, 4 starting from 2021. But here weights are not given. So we know that weighted average profit बड़ा भाई है, फ्यूचर के नियरर ईयर्स को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देगा कंपेयर टू प्रीवियस ईयर्स. सो एज ऑफ दैट रिमेंबर दैट इफ वेट्स आर नॉट गिवन, क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो सबसे पुराना साल है उसको आप 1 वेट दोगे, उसके बाद वाला साल 2 एंड उसके बाद वाला साल 3. अगर 25 भी होता तो वी वुड हैव गिवन 5, then 26 को 6 and so on. Chronologically the oldest year will be having 1 weight, then 2, 3, 4 whatever be the number of years. So let's crack this. Again like this we will have profits. The profits are 150, 150 and 250. So 150, 150 and 250 into weights. Chronologically this year is the oldest one, so 1, 2 and the latest wala year will be getting the highest weight. You will always start giving weights from 1. फिर जितना आगे जा सकते हो उतना जाओ. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So we will have weighted profit 150 into 1, 150, 150 into 2 it will be 3 lakh and 250 into 3 it will be 7 lakh and 50,000. You will have total weighted profit 7, 10, 11 and 12. It is rupees 12 lakh will be your total weighted profit, and your total weights will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. It will be 6. Now again write the formula like this, because formula के भी marks होते हैं. So weighted average profit is equals to total weighted profit upon total weights. Total weighted profit we calculated, it is 12 lakh upon total weights is 6, and you will have weighted average profit as rupees 2 lakh. Underline it. Story doesn't end. We are supposed to calculate goodwill based on 2 years purchase. ये तो हमें 3 years का weighted average profit मिला. Goodwill will be calculated 2 years purchase of weighted average profit. So goodwill is equals to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. Weighted average profit 2 lakh into 2 years of purchase. So into 2, and your goodwill will be 4 lakh rupees. So like this, calculating goodwill using weighted average profit and giving more weights, giving more importance to recent year compared to the previous year is a smarter choice, right? So sometimes the firm acts smart and use weighted average profit method to calculate goodwill. I hope the sums we discussed are very much clear to you. And in the next session, we will meet one more new method to calculate goodwill, that is super profit method. Until the next session, stay tuned and goodbye.